everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I'm going to create this beautiful natural soft glam makeup, and it's a little bit of a gold bronzy look as well. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching, and if you like the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my eye and then blend it out with a damp beauty sponge and then set it with some translucent powder. The first shade that I'm going to go in with is the Pop Beauty Prismatic Pop Highlighter in the shade Celestial Light, and that's my go-to brow bone highlight. And jumping into the Shop Violet Boss hashtag palette, I'm mixing the shades Fresh and Sauce, and I'm just going to be buffing that into my crease with a fluffy brush. And then I'm going into Goat, and I'm going to be also putting that in my crease, blending it in back and forth motions. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer once again and just carve out my lid space. That way any eyeshadow that I apply on top is really going to pop and last a lot longer on my lid. And for my lid, I'm going in with the shade Truth, and I'm just going to be packing that all over the lid. And as you can see, it's such a beautiful bright yellow shade. And for lashes, I'm going in with the Sofie Bella lashes in the style Jamaica. These lashes are super beautiful. They flare out, so the inside is a little bit shorter than the outside, and it's a nice wispy lash. It could be an everyday lash because it's honestly not too dramatic. And I went ahead and applied some lower lash mascara, and I'm going in with the Coco Kind Organic Matcha Face Moisturizer, and this is what it looks like on the inside. At first I was a little bit taken back because I was like, whoa, I've never tried a product like this, but I was honestly blown away. My skin has never felt so moisturized and plump, and I highly recommend this moisturizer. It's all natural and it's vegan. And for foundation, I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Cushion Stick Foundation. I love this foundation. It's dewy, but it's also full coverage. And I just apply it with a brush to be a little bit more sanitary. And then I go in with a damp beauty sponge to blend that all out.
Don't waste it. Yeah.
Next, I'm going in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. And this concealer is honestly one of my favorite concealers. It is full coverage, but it's also super hydrating at the same time, and that's why I love it. It doesn't dry out my under eyes, and it doesn't crease on me or anything like that, so I highly recommend it. I'm just going to be putting it under my eyes, center of my nose, around my mouth area, and on my chin. And then I'm going back in with a damp beauty sponge once again to blend that all out and to melt all the products together. To set it all in place, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm just going to be baking underneath my eyes and on the center of my nose. And then I'm going to cream contour. I don't normally cream contour after powder, but I just decided randomly that I wanted to cream contour. So I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Hazelnut. And or Espresso. I think I'm using the shade Espresso. And I'm just putting that on my cheekbones, under my nose, around my lips. And I also put it underneath my chin. And then now you can see me here blending it all out with this brush from Luxie Beauty. And I'm just going in little dabbing motions to really blend everything out. And then for highlight, I'm using the highlight by Smolder Cosmetics called Golden Glow. And I'm just applying that with a fan brush, and I really love that highlighter. And for bronzer, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Satin Bronzer. And you guys know this is one of my favorite bronzers. It gives such a warmth to the face, and I just can't get enough of it. And I'm putting that in all the same areas that I applied the cream contour. And then for blush, I'm using my Makeup Geek blush in the shade XOXO. And I'm just going to be applying that to the apples of my cheeks, around my nose, on my chin, all the areas that the sun would naturally hit my face. And for lips, I'm going in with my Makeup Forever lip liner in the shade number 22. And this is my favorite lip liner. And I'm using the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Virgin. And then I decided that it still wasn't enough, so I decided to go in with a Dose of Colors gloss in the shade Bellini. And it's like a really shimmery, light pink neutral shade. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys.